Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we have another KLX rolling with us all the way up from down south. That was probably a fun ride on the highway, but it should be fun here. Gonna let him ride the big bore because right now he's just got a full FMF exhaust on right now. So it should be fun to see his opinion of the big bore coming from an exhaust only KLX. And as you can see, it's going to be a good one. Gonna wreak some havoc here. First things first, we both got to get some gas. Me, because mine is more of a hog. His is because, well, he just rode about 50 miles on the highway. So we are going to show him what we got around here. Show him all the shenanigan having places. And here we are for the second time today. Shot. We are all filled up with gas now, ready to go rip. We're gonna hit the gravel pit first here. Go have some fun there. Hopefully there aren't too many people. And of course we gotta get some roll racing type action on our little 250 dual sports here. Look everybody, we are probably going to hit 2,000 miles here on the KLX in today's video. 2,000 fun-filled miles on the green machine. Alright, off to a good start already. We are bringing havoc to the roads. Wave to the kids, people. Alright, we are here to the gravel pit. Oh man, this guy is crazy. Yeah, let me get my camera out. Alright, he wants to get air on this. Oh, we were just talking about that. Dropping it, whoa. Making a U. Oh my gosh, what a madman. Alright, let's go. Alright, we should probably leave now since we caused too much commotion. Sketchy on the thick stuff here. Alright, off to the next gravel pit. That area was definitely gonna get busted if we stayed much longer, but it definitely was fun though. I have not gone up that hill, the gravel hill I should say. Looks like I'm gonna have to go back there and catch some air, but I'm gonna have to do it quickly though because I saw multiple people already on their decks wondering what the heck is going on out there. They can't handle all these brap noises. Alright. Does not look like there's anybody here today, so we are good to go. It's cool to have a second set of eyes around here too, to see stuff that I'm missing that could potentially be fun. big rock. Jeez. Alright, done ripping in that gravel pit. Now we're gonna try and hit this gravel road. I actually need to pull over first so I can put my earbuds in. We are gonna head to the gravel road where my friend and I will rip in the Subaru and the KLX. When we get there, we're gonna let them go ahead and ride my KLX. Heading out on the twisties. There's a little bit of a race for you guys. So now you guys can see all the differences. Me with the big bore Barker, he has an FMF only full system and a lidless airbox for me, and of course the EJK Fuel Controller. Oh, come on. I was here earlier today and I was stuck for like 15 minutes at this flagger here. Do some stretching while we're on our break here.
10 push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, I'll do mine now. Alright, done with our commercial break. Oh, 4 miles away from 2,000. Alright, this kind of sucks sitting behind this Mercedes. Alright, ready to rip. Alright, if you guys remember here, we got the Subaru from the Shreddin' Rally Roads video. But this time we got an exhaust on the KLX and another KLX with us. So once we get here, we'll go ahead and let my friend here rip on the KLX. Pretty sweet here. We got a whole train mobbing through the back roads. Oh, we hit it! 2,000 miles on the green machine right here, KLX351. So with the big bore, I think we're pretty close to 1,000 miles with the big bore. Have to go back and check when we put it on. Maybe it was around 1,200, but we made it 2,000 miles. Get a screenshot of that. Me?
Yeah.
No, I was waiting for him. Dang it, I made the same mistake again. Whoa, a llama.
Whoa, a llama.
On a drag race?
Alright guys, hopefully I'll get a good launch. yeah. Now that was a grade A rip. How's that?
Not bad, yeah.
Alright, let's turn around and I'll let you rip this thing. Alright, gonna hop off here, let him rip it, see what he thinks. Should be pretty exciting, and I'll be able to hear my bike from the outside. Jeez, that thing is loud. Wow. That thing sounds insanely loud. It's pretty cool to see it from an outside perspective. That thing is way louder than I thought. Oh yeah, you can hear that thing coming. What do you think about that rip? Real quick, before you take off.
That was, yeah, that's a lot more power.
A lot more power than the stock bore.
I can feel how it's going to take off.
Oh yeah, if you pin it in first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, that thing's way louder than I thought.
Yeah, it's way beefier as well. Way beefier.
Wow, I felt that exhaust all the way back here. He was like 30 feet in front of me. Alright, so gonna head back into town, and then I think we'll let him rip it through town too. Whoa, his clutch engage is way further up than mine. Alright, back on the stock KLX. He has some Tusk off-road tires on here. Back with the old FMF as well. With the stock KLX, you kind of need to keep the revs up to be able to get moving. But man, it sounds crispy with this FMF. Wow, it feels funny to be back on the stock KLX. Wow, in the same day I could see how wheels and tires really affect how the bike rides. With the Supermoto, last video should be for you guys. On the road, those things stick like glue. You can pin it through the corners. And then off-road here, he has some heavier knobbies on here. And going through this gravel, it doesn't even feel like the front end is washing out at all. It feels like you can lean through the corners here. Of course, with the stock tires, they're a little bit wishy-washy on the road, on gravel roads I should say. But these hook up pretty well. You can lean it into the corners.
How was it to ride?
Huh? It was weird. I mean, you have to downshift a lot more to get moving. But your tires handle pretty well, a lot better than those things.
They're not as bad as I thought they were.
Yeah, I kind of got used to them on the gravel, but you have to get used to the front end kind of washing out a bit.
Yeah.
But if you kind of get used to that and then use that to kind of steer the bike, it's not too bad. But I definitely see how some better knobbies would work.
Except for on the road that I...
No?
They have a unique feeling, let's say that.
Yeah?
It just tips over.
Yeah.
And you don't know if it's just going to tip over all the way into the gravel or the road.
Yeah, yeah, they break away really violently is the thing.
This thing is awesome, dude.
Yeah.
My ears actually hurt from that.
The first time I rode it, my ears were ringing. Yeah, head back into town, and we'll pull over at the high school once we get back into the city. It's like the first thing in the city, and then let you ride back to the Toys R Us lot.
Okay.
All right, sounds good.
Leave at the Toys R Us lot?
I'll try some wheelies. You now see how it is to try and wheelie this thing.
Oh, yeah. At first I thought, oh, you're just a pussy, man. But now I'm like, you got a point there. You got a good point.
Yeah, I mean, of course, the people who are good at wheelies will say that, but
yeah.
All right, well, let's get to ripping. After today, though, I definitely need some new tires. It's a good thing, though, because the KLX will probably be going under the knife here shortly. Then I can start focusing my resources to some new tires. Alright guys, we're gonna switch back here for the ride back to the Toys R Us lot. Alright, we'll get some following action for you guys here to end off the video. Ooh man, this stock seat, it is hard, alright. Whoa! Jeez! I have not been behind one of those. Alright guys, warping back home here. Had a fun time making this video today. Got to rip around with a stock KLX250, compare them, do some drag racing, and of course, wreaking some havoc on the roads everywhere we went. But of course, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Get the bell on to keep up with the KLX going stage 3 here. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucker greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch. My competition, they don't fit that niche.